Let me show you how to make the gooeyest chocolate brownie, and then let's add some marshmallow fluff and strawberry compote inside of it and make it absolutely amazing. This recipe, you're going to love it. So let's start by melting your butter, and then once your butter is melted, add your melted chocolate and then mix it all together until it becomes smooth. Now on the side, add your sugar and your eggs and mix them until they become super light and fluffy, and that's gonna take a few minutes. Then add your dry ingredients on the side, and don't forget the sea salt because it's so important. And then add your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, fold everything to become this really nice thick brownie batter. Add your strawberry compote and then add it on a tray and spread it. Then add your marshmallow fluff. Now don't worry if the screen is going too quick. This recipe, including the strawberry compote, is going to be on my website and the link is already in my bio. Bake your marshmallow fluff with strawberry compote brownie and then start slicing it. Look how gooey it is just from the knife. Don't just save that recipe, go and make it because you're going to love it.